So the other day I decided to take a little walk just around the neighborhood and happened to walk past a little local nursery nearby and didn't have my purse or anything on me, but I did have my phone, and I just happened to ask the lady, hey, can you do tap to pay? And she was like, yeah, of course. So I had a little look around. I wasn't planning on getting anything until I saw this. What? As soon as I saw that, I was like, did someone stick a lithops in there? What is going on with this little plant? Check that out. That is some kind of really wild mutation I've never seen before. Have you, if anyone has ever seen this before, please let me know in the comments. I'm just, that is just so cool. Some kind of mutation with the leaf. It's not like pretty to look at. Sorry, but it sure is cool. Very interesting. What's going on with you, dude? Nice.